Once upon a time, in a small town, there lived three best friends named Lena, Max, and Sam. They were known for their adventurous spirits and creative imaginations. One sunny day, as they played in the park, they stumbled upon a hidden treasure, a huge, colorful slide. "It's gigantic!" exclaimed Lena excitedly. Max's eyes sparkled with curiosity. "I wonder how it feels to slide down from up there," he thought aloud. Sam, always up for a challenge, grinned mischievously. "Let's find out!" Lena looked at the slide, which seemed to touch the sky, and had an idea. "I heard that if we use wax paper, we can slide even faster. Let's give it a try," she exclaimed with excitement. Max and Sam nodded eagerly. They couldn't wait. Lena ran to her grandmother's kitchen to fetch some shiny wax paper, while Max and Sam gathered at their secret meeting spot, their minds buzzing with imaginative ideas. The friends returned to the towering slide with wax paper in hand, ready for an unforgettable adventure. They carefully placed the wax paper on the slide, positioning themselves at the top. Excitement surged as they sat down, and their hearts pounded like drums. "Ready?" Lena called out, gripping her wax paper tightly. "Ready!" Max and Sam shouted. With a joyful push, they whooshed down the slide on an exhilarating descent. The wax paper glided smoothly against the slide, carrying them faster and faster. Laughter and shouts of joy filled the air as they whirled through the twists and turns. When they reached the bottom, their eyes widened in amazement. They didn't find themselves in the familiar park, but in a land where their wildest dreams came true. It was a place of enchantment, filled with bicycles of all colors, erector sets to build towering structures, and sports equipment for every kind of game imaginable. Lena's eyes sparkled with delight. "Look at all these bicycles! I've always wanted a shiny red one with a bell." Max's jaw dropped in awe as he held an erector set. "Imagine what we can create with this! We can build a magnificent fortress or a magical castle." Sam couldn't contain his excitement as he grabbed a soccer ball. "I've always dreamed of becoming a great soccer player. Let's kick this ball around." Minutes turned into hours, and the friends reveled in their newfound paradise. They rode bicycles through magic-filled paths, built magnificent structures with their erector sets, and played thrilling games with the sports equipment. Their laughter echoed through the magical land as they fulfilled their desires. But amidst the wonder and excitement, a tinge of homesickness began to tug at their hearts. Hours later, as they sat together, gazing at the breathtaking landscape, Lena said in a shaky voice, "I miss my mom's warm hugs and my cozy home." Max nodded in agreement. "I miss my dad's silly jokes. I have even started missing Grandpa's bedtime stories." Sam's eyes sparked with tears. "I miss my sister's laughter and the way we play tag in our backyard." Lena sighed. "These wonderful things are incredible, but they can't replace the love of my family." Max nodded and looked at his feet. "This place is amazing, but it can't replace the feeling of being at home." "Nothing compares to the joy of spending time with loved ones," Sam agreed. Then voiced what they were all thinking. How will we get back home? Just as their longing for home peaked, a kind, whimsical figure, wearing a lopsided orange floppy hat and large blue eyes that twinkled like stars, appeared before them. "Well, hello there. I'm Willy Wizard. How do you do?" the figure exclaimed, his voice twinkling with joy. The children looked at the wizard, who smiled brightly at them. It reminded them a lot of the Mad Hatter from the storybooks. "I sense the wishes in your hearts. I shall grant all of you one wish, so choose wisely," Willy Wizard said, clapping his hands joyfully. Lena, Max, and Sam huddled together, their hearts filled with newfound hope. After a short talk, they turned to Willy Wizard and spoke in unison, their voices filled with conviction. "We wish to return to our families. We miss them so much." Willy Wizard snapped his fingers, and in an instant, the enchanted land faded away, replaced by the familiar sights and sounds of the park. The three friends stood in the park, the giant slide towering above them. They ran with all their might, their hearts pounding until they reached their homes. Their families welcomed them with open arms, showering them with kisses and big hugs. The familiar scents, sounds, and laughter washed over them, reminding them of the true treasures in life. From that day forward, Lena, Max, and Sam treasured every moment spent with their families. They realized that it wasn't the shiny bicycles or the many toys that brought them true joy. It was the love, laughter, and togetherness that mattered most. They smiled whenever they passed by the giant slide, knowing that their greatest adventure wasn't on the slide, but in the warm embrace of their loved ones. Thank you for listening to The Giant Slide. Author Lee Olson, narration by Bella. Please subscribe and give a thumbs up if you enjoyed it.